Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have something fascinating to share with you. We will reveal 5 easy ways to make money online in 2023. Whether you're looking to boost your monthly income or start a new career, these digital methods have covered you. So if you're ready to dive in and discover how to make some extra cash, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. The first method to make money online is by creating your newsletter. You can earn up to 2000 US dollars monthly through sponsorships as your audience grows. Imagine turning your passion for content writing into a profitable venture. Whether you are an expert in a specific field or deeply love something, a newsletter can be your gateway to success. But how do you get started? Let's find out together. I have made a separate video on creating a newsletter. You can find a direct link to the video in the I button at the top right corner of your screen. You can also find the video link in the description of our channel. Looking for a larger payout that can lead to a full time occupation? Starting an e commerce business might be the answer for you. You can generate up to $127,000 in your first year with the right products and services. But don't worry, you don't have to start big. We'll guide you through the process step by step. I have made a separate video tutorial on creating an e-commerce business. You can find a direct link to the video in the I button at the top right corner of your screen. You can also find the video link in the description of our channel. Now let's talk about becoming an affiliate marketer and making a passive income. Did you know advanced affiliates can earn up to $100,000 or more? That's right, you can earn commissions and increase your revenue by promoting products or services to your audience. But how does it all work? Let's explore the world of affiliate marketing together. You can find a complete video tutorial on how to start affiliate marketing in 2023. Links are in the description. If you love expressing yourself through writing, starting a blog could be your ticket to earning a substantial income. By monetizing your blog, you can earn anywhere from $20,000 to $50,000 annually. Imagine turning your passion for writing into a money making machine. Let's explore the world of blogging and how you can get started. Are you ready to turn your thoughts into a profitable venture? Let's unlock the power of blogging and start making money online. You can find a complete video tutorial on creating a blog in 2023. Links are in the description. Are you ready to share your story with the world and earn money? Let's unlock the potential of YouTube and start making an impact. If you're interested in diving deeper into this subject, you can find a direct link to the video in the I button, which is located at the top right corner of your screen. You can also find the video link in the description of our channel. And there you have it, 5 easy ways to make money online in 2023. The possibilities are endless. Whether you create a newsletter, start an e commerce business, join an affiliate marketing program, start a blog, or create a YouTube channel. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with the persistence and effort, the sky's the limit. Which method caught your attention? Let us know in the comments below and remember to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. And if you want more amazing content like this, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Until next time, happy money making! Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about making money online and explore other exciting topics, check out our previous videos. And remember, your dreams are just a few clicks away. Stay inspired and keep hustling. Are you ready to shape your brand and take the e commerce world by storm? Let's discover how to build your online store from scratch.